What's up everybody, Stixx Picks here, back with another storage video, and as you can tell by the title, we spent a lot of money on just one storage unit. And today we're actually gonna show us winning the storage unit. So let's just get right into it. He opened it at 5,000, but it's a little bit smaller, guys. We're really not liking it too much, but we're looking good with the units we got already. That's why he's not really too interested. He's at 7,000 already, guys, all right. 7 bands.
Got 72, 74. Got 8, 82, 84. 9,000, 92. 9,000 for 92. Anybody else 92? Sold your way, 9,000.
Oh, the pirate literally spent $9,000 on one single unit. Not as much as the last one, but that's still a lot of friggin' money. There was rumors of like gold and stuff that people found, so maybe we find something like that. We have no idea though. I didn't mention how much was spent at the auction today, but there was literally 80,000 or 70,000 spent just today at the auction, which is pretty crazy. These boxes don't lie though. Whatever it's labeled, it's gonna be in here. They haven't really lied to us. So it's hay, harvest, cats, Halloween figures. So that's definitely what's in there. Look at that.
That's 40 to 80 bucks on eBay.
These Christmas trees, hopefully we can sell. Should be a $300 Christmas tree.
Oh wow, those are so beautiful.
These are what, like $300 you said?
They are.
Oh yeah.
We get every bit of 200 on eBay, but if we push for it, we'll get our 3.
He's going, guys, he's going. We never found any red bottoms in our unit. We heard rumors about it, that other people found red bottoms. Ooh, $248 price tag on that Dooney and Burke. But like I said, red bottoms, we heard rumors about it. Other people found it, but he found a box, it looks like. He sees
2 of them.
2.
2 of them.
2.
Just throw it to me, I'll catch it.
Just throw them.
Code 6824. Beautiful.
Oh, I love that bag.
They're like,
Okay.
What? Anywhere from 500 to 1,000, that's what I'm guessing.
Easy.
I'm gonna be very happy because I did not even see those. Please be a $4,000 pair.
I mean,
The black ones.
It's probably this. Oh,
probably the
it
same
is a
one.
good one. These are gonna be good. Look at that.
woo!
spiked wedges. It's painful.
These are good for gang fights. I'm speechless because that's the first one I've ever found of those like that.
So that's like at least 1,500 you'd say right there?
If I had to spec, I bet we can get 1,500 for those 2 items right there.
Oh, what is it?
Lady and the Tramp. Oh no, Lion King.
It's Dooney.
Look at that. Oh, she's keeping that, and that's like a.
Oh, it's all the characters. I thought it was just
All
one.
the famous cats in the Disney.
Oh, that's pretty dope.
This might be a $2,000 box.
Jackpot.
Waterford.
No, more Disney purses. That I'm not gonna be able to sell.
Oh, Jessica's dibs in all of them.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Dude, this is such a good one.
look. Chris, get a close up in there.
Oh my gosh.
Definitely over $2,000 box.
See some of these price tags.
Some of them are worth
Well,
more
yeah,
now.
the Disney
Yeah.
end up. I was
10.
very sad last time that we spent the money we did, and I was not able to get just Disney purse. That's what she wanted. I even bought some off of Cowboy. I bought in 2 purses off him just to give her some, and now I got like the next 3 years of gifts.
That one's like $600 probably.
That made my day. We didn't screw up.
I prefer a red box.
Okay, is that those ones down back there?
Yeah, but also that one wasn't a red box and that one was full of those Doonies, so we don't even know.
Okay, so help me.
There's Doonies in here.
Okay.
Dooney.
Okay, and there's a receipt.
I'm guessing 258.
200.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, 204.
And this one is just lost. You know that. Falling in love, right? Yeah, falling in love.
Okay.
80 bucks.
It's a whole set,
45,
which is really
20, 25, and ooh, that's the 45. That's
Ooh.
20, 25, and
Perfume,
20.
nice. You
right?
sell it as a whole set?
I have a set like that up that hasn't sold yet.
These ones so hot, the perfume.
Do that one. I can
This might be a smaller little Dooney.
Trying to log in just to take a look.
Never mind.
Okay,
Ladybug.
sunglasses? Maybe Dooney Sun? Oh.
I don't know that.
Fancy looking box. I've seen these
Called
boxes
it,
though.
sunglasses.
They look fancy.
They do.
Oh, man.
They look very fancy.
Oh yeah, those are nice. And the case is
That's cool.
nice. Oh, let's see.
What the heck is this?
That's that fancy lock.
Oh, it's lock and lock. Yeah, it's fancy. This is heavy. So grab it. Just one first, one big old one, yeah.
Dooney, that is
Big old one.
Is it a collab one?
That's I moved the price tag. I want to guess. It's probably like $258.
$220. I would have gone $250 because it's bigger too, though.
Yeah, I always say
The bigger
$250 for these
ones, I would
ones.
say at least.
It's usually around that price.
Literally, each box is a brand new purse. It's the easiest thing to sell in the world. This is so great.
Uh-oh. This might be the...
Shoes?
No, I think this might be that light stuff. There's a lot.
Oh, the shoulder light stuff?
Oh, actually, there are shoes. This is burgundy.
I'm good, right? Lock and lock
Oh, never mind.
divider plates.
Never mind.
Boom.
You usually want to see like burgundy.
No,
These like
this
shoes.
is not. It's $28.
Oh, I'm not even gonna open it then. What we just found, guys?
Show that right there. That's the first episode.
We just found a piece of paper and it's showing how much like rent she paid. How much rent she paid. She paid $83,000 right there. Look at these numbers. She spent this much on her rent. Holy crap, guys. We have shown a lot of what's gonna be in this unit. We're probably gonna be loading it. I'll do a lot more showing at the warehouse.
Yeah, let's see.
Red bottom. Look at this perfume.
Now everybody guess.
This is black.
Wait a minute, there's no quantity of.
Ooh, that's good sign. This is actually Christian Louis Vuitton. It is. Some red bottoms. Got him without him. He's gonna be hyped when he sees this. It's a smaller box. The other ones were bigger, but this is a new in box. Look at that. Box is messed up. What's in here though is the real question. Oh yeah, it's like in here. Never even freaking like take it out. Come on. Woo! All right, it's different. It's something different. Definitely brand new. Holy crap. Disney. 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 Oh my God.
Woo! Disney Haunted Mansion. I love it. It's a whole box of freaking Disney. Disney shirts. Look at that. This is not cheap stuff, believe it or not.
Disney.
Oh. Let me get a scream, Michael.
Chicken nuggets. Really? That's how you scream? Oh, look at that. Oh, box in a box.
Oh,
you know what that is, right?
This
That's the pumpkin off of,
this is Mighty Mouse. A Halloween Mighty Mouse.
oh, you know what I thought that was? Hello.
He's all dripped out.
Hey, this is a nice Christmas sweater, though, it's not?
Bro, that's not you can wear that on a Wednesday.
They hit that.
Start to feel yourself.
What do you know about Doc Martens?
I feel like that they're pricey. Very pricey.
These look very trendy too. Like,
All right, everybody, it's pretty much empty. We're getting down to it. And we're obviously gonna show you guys a lot more at the warehouse. We did show you guys a good amount. There was a lot of just having to load it all up. I would say probably we made our money back just in this pile right here almost. Just in that, and we have the whole freaking trailer. We didn't really pack it too high, obviously. We didn't have the whole trailer, so we just put it up like this. All right, guys, we are back at the warehouse. Oh, lock and lock. Divider plates with color. She paid $27 a piece for these dividers. Nothing crazy. Oh,
$50 blanket.
dang, that's like a
I
nice
think we
blanket.
did one of these. Want to do the second one?
We have 2 of these.
I got my little typewriter extra right
You
here.
guys let us know how expensive these are. They look quite expensive. She just bought these and literally never even opened the box they came in. I don't know what she was doing. She was doing this with like 90% of what she bought. Look at this. Easy sale. This will probably sell quick. You can just walk up, scan it.
So we're looking at anywhere from 125 to 301. Guess what? We have 2 of them.
2 of them. 2 of them. Just so I could show you guys we're not lying. There's 2 of them. I don't exactly need to open it. You guys just saw it. There's another box unopened just like that one. That's like freaking 500 bucks we just made. Or going to list, of course. Vitamix. It's like brand new, sealed, untouched. Look at this. I don't even want to like touch it anymore. How expensive is this though? Like, you know?
Michael, this right here?
Yeah.
This right here.
This is right here in front of us.
Minimum 300 bucks. A brand new is probably 4 or 5. But oh yeah.
Oh my.
Look it up. Vitamix 7500. This is like the 3rd one we found it. Well, we have another one over there, but yeah.
There's a $500 sale. 400 to 500 I see. A lot of. She spent 160 bucks on this pair of Sam Edelman shoes, and for some reason it's not even really, it doesn't retain its value. It's not really worth around 160 bucks. New other 32 bucks.
This is money right here, Micah. Oh,
Huge
yes.
Christmas candle with the stand.
Damn.
We should probably keep that too, right?
The box of Uggs. 3 big pairs of them. Not bad. Some Valentine's. I think this is a white pair of them.
Really?
Yeah.
And a black one.
Yeah.
Size.
She's very like meticulous about it.
those ones.
If you see a pair of shoes together, they're gonna have like other pairs that are just like it. It's so weird.
Same shoe, different color.
Why is she's like a weird collector?
I could rock those. What do you think? I'll be taller than you again.
What the heck? I've never seen a box that big. I was gonna say like 30 bucks. It might be a bit more expensive. Yeah, that's be a lot more expensive. She spent 150 bucks on that pretty much.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
It's nice when
Horse
you...
riding boots.
Oh, yeah.
I might be able to list that for 80 bucks. We'll see.
There's nothing hotter when a woman's wearing one of these, Michael, and nothing else.
We've got a bunch of these D&Co, like brand new and bagged shirts, like a bunch of them. There's like a jacket like this too from there.
What if we decide to just take all 300, or probably over 400,000 in retail and just did a 30-day show on whatnot? That is something crazy I contemplate doing, because I'm crazy like that, you know?
Lock and lock.
This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you guys actually want a part 2 on these. I never actually asked, but let me know if you guys want a part 2 in the comments below.